Hi all, welcome back to Tableau Experts. Today I'm going to showcase the maps in Tableau, the different types of maps available in Tableau. Let's connect to data. So we have a sample superstore data here. So I'm using 2020.3. This is the new version. So basically, whenever we are working with maps, the data type is very important. You can see it's a geographical data type. So geographical role, and you can see state. So we have different dimensions related to geographical data, like we have country, city, state, right? And just double click on state. So default, we used to get world map, and these latitude, longitude generated. You can see these are generated fields. We don't have latitude and longitude data. But default, we are not getting any map displayed here. We are getting map, but the data is not displayed because let's see. So unfortunately, it is mapped to India. This is fixed, but we have a field called as country. But you can just select the field, okay? Just select the country field. Click OK. So now we are getting state-wise information. So we have United States data. And if you want to differentiate with the color, just drag and drop state into color. You can also display in a different way, like it's a filled map. You can use different symbols for now. You can use square, or you can also go for shapes, and you can drag and drop state into shape to differentiate in different shapes for that each and every state. It depends, like let's go for circle, and you can drag and drop profit into size. Based on a profit, we need to showcase the bubble size, and you can increase the size of a bubble. Okay. And instead of using state in color, better you can go for profit into color, so that you are going to get some diverging color. And if you want to edit the color, like if you want to change the diverging, you can prefer like something like green and gold color. So click apply. Okay. So this is what the diverging color. You can prefer any other colors. And as I said, you can also go for a filled map, or let's right click on this, duplicate, and click on show me, select filled map or area map. Okay. It depends. So this looks better. Just drag and drop state into label, sorry. You can showcase the naming convention. And one more point is, like, as I said, we have different types of maps visualizations. So where you can go back to map, and you have different map layers. And for now we have background maps. You can see dark, street, satellite, and we have different WMS servers as well. Like we have NASA related server where you can showcase NASA related view as well. So let's go for map layers. Just click on this drop down. You can click on normal view. You can go for dark mode. Just click on dark mode, and based on the background dark color, right? So you can also change the color coding. So whatever the color you have applied for profit, the driving color, you can apply a suitable color for that. The dark can maybe kind of an orange driving color. Maybe you can also go for some transparency. So it depends. Okay. So, and we have a lot of options in the map layers. Basically, you can see few of the country borders and country names are disabled, but when you zoom in, right? So when you zoom in across that specific, whatever the region, now you can see these checkboxes are enabled. So to display those names. And we have a lot of options like area code boundaries, area code labels. You can see the visualization is changing, right? So metro boundaries, metro labels. Okay. So these are all the options, and you can also go for satellite view. Let's say I have a state By default, it's mapped to India, and let's select the country field and go back to maps, map layers, and we have an option to go for satellite view. Okay. Initially, you might aware of that. Initially, Tableau have it's OpenStreetMap. It supports for the maps, but we have a MapBox and both. Like we have MapBox and OpenStreetMap for now. So and you might hear about MapBox. We have lots of visualizations, lots of different map options by using MapBox. So, and as I say, like we have map layers. So it depends, like whatever the data you are picking up. So based on that, you can showcase the map visualizations. You can zoom in, and you can have you have an option to go for search, to go for California, select California, and you can zoom in. So you can view the satellite views. Okay, and we are going to get these options enabled. You can select cities, state names, state borders, country name, country borders. Okay. So we have different options available in the new versions of map, like in Tableau. And you can dig in, and yes, we have some subway as well, like points of interest, subways. So all these options are given here as a map layers. So you can use satellite view, you can also use outdoor view, and yeah, you can choose whatever the options available here. So these are all the map options available in Tableau. And as I said, you can go back to map, go back to background maps. We can add Wms Server. So we have a NASA related view actually. Let's search for that. So let's search for NASA related. NASA WMS Tableau. Just search for NASA WMS Tableau. So click on this link. Let's see. Do we have? We don't have here. Yeah. So you can go for. It's there actually. So yeah. Let's scroll down. If it is available here, no, it's not there. Okay, so yes, it's present generally. Like we can get those NASA links. There's other URL where you can straight away can pick. You can copy from here. This is the link. This is the website is providing the NASA related one. So click OK. You can see that just a view is changed. This is NASA view. Go back to maps, background maps, and you can see NASA Earth observations. This is the WMS server. So we have different WMS servers. If you want to visualize, if you want to showcase that particular views, so you can check for the different NASA views, and you have these different map layers. Initially, we have country names, state names, like borders, US metro boundaries, all those things, right? But here it's all different. So based on a map functionality, so we are going to get different options for those maps related information. So these are all the maps available in Tableau. So where you can create different visualizations for maps, like you can go for filler map, or it depends, like if you want to showcase bubbles or different shapes, these are available in Tableau. And we have MapBox as well. Like this is more flexible, and we have lots of different functionalities in maps. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe.